As you can see, TRAE, this very great AI code editor and also coding agent, can actually help to create great code, generate lots of like those source code, probably within 10 minutes, so that you can right now free your hands entirely from the coding task. But one thing I believe many of you guys probably wondering is, how can I know actually the AI is generating the right stuff that I exactly need? And is the software really working as I expected? So this is a question that we heard from lots of the developers and also non-technical or technical developers and from lots of our customers. And right now, the great thing is you can actually have very comprehensive testing today inside TRAE. And this is powered by the TRAE's MCP marketplace and also TestBright. So TestBright is the easiest AI software agent right now for autonomous testing. You can almost use no code and even no prompts to finish comprehensive testing within 10 to 20 minutes. Whether you are a solo developer or you're part of a dev team, you can all these tools. Right now, TestBright can be adopted to many of the code IDE, and today it's actually inside the TRAE's MCP marketplace. So you can just one click install and then try to use natural language to trigger it to run inside your IDE. And yes, we do have a free community version today. So you can feel free to just register and explore. If you wanted to actually attach a credit card without any payment, you can explore more tokens if needed. Yeah. And to use it or to install it, I believe lots of you guys are already on your laptop right now. It's also very easy. So you can just go to testbright.com, create a new account, and navigate to the API key part. At that section, you can create a new API token. And by using that API key, you can actually go to TRAE's MCP setting, install our tool, paste that API key, and everything is all done. I can actually show you guys my TRAE here on my laptop, so you can easily follow me to quickly install that within just 10 seconds. So you can just see that here is the my TRAE's chat window. Here there's a AI management setting icon here on the top right of the IDE. You can click it. I already installed it, but you can just click the add button, choose add from marketplace, and TestBright is the fifth tool in majority of your guys' computer. Yeah, so you can just click that add button, copy paste the API key that you generated from TestBright account, and you're all good to go. And to use it is also very simple. Actually, you only need the magical prompt, hey, help me test my project with TestBright. And it's all done. So you don't have to write any plan, write any code, or manually do too many things. Just to use that natural language as a prompt to trigger our tool to run inside your IDE. And we will basically help you to do these steps automatically inside your TRAE editor. First, we try to open a bootstrap page where you can configure your project basic settings, like is it front-end testing or back-end testing? What is the user account that you wanted to actually use to try all these features? And where is your project running? Is it on your local host 3000 or maybe some other port? So you can basically provide this information and also your product requirement documentation. As Gary has mentioned before, right now, product requirement documentation is the best practice to help your AI to write the code, and it's also a great source for our AI testing agent to validate whether the whole software is working perfectly for you. So you can just upload that, and then we will generate, try to normalize the PRD for you, generate the test plan, generate all the test cases and test code, and eventually give you a test execution report with what is passing, what is failing, what feature might not be exactly the match as you intended in your requirement doc, what might be kind of like having some warnings or might need you to take a closer look. So this is the basic workflow of using TestBright. You will have your comprehensive test report within just 10 to 20 minutes. And after all this is done, you can just go back to your chat window and tell your TRAE agent to say, hey, help me fix my code base, or maybe polish these kind of like broken places based on the TestBright report. And then we will actually help generate almost 100 lines of prompt to talk directly feedback into your TRAE coding agent, so that you don't even have to prompt it to your coding AI. Hey, this is broken, this feature isn't something I want, and we will help to write all the prompts and automatically trigger your TRAE to fix and patch all those broken places to further save you time. So, and also today we have a special award set it for anyone actually willing to share what you already built with TestBright. So actually here, I can share with you guys. If you go to your TestBright account, after you created some project, for example, this is my TestBright account, and I tried to test a gym app that I created a couple of days ago. You can see for any of the passing test case, you will have it's more like a love button on the right side. You can click on this one and choose share now. And we will, I think I'm not connected to the internet, but basically we will generate a great demo clip for you, which you can actually share to your Twitter. And it's something look like this. So for example, hey, I just released this feature, and you will have a link that, because I don't have internet connect, so the video and the image is not loading up. But basically, you can participate in our award, kind of like using this way. You can share the feature on your Twitter, and our official account will receive a notification who has already participated or shared anything. And then we will choose from all these posts tagged us to see who actually built the most interesting feature, the tested, verified, working feature. And then we will give the reward to the best builder. Yeah, thank you so much. And that's basically about it. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask us. We're on the right side of the whole field. Yeah, thank you.